Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to clear cache on Binance. So let's get started. So if you want to clear cache on your Binance application, what you can do is just simply open up your Binance app. So by clearing the cache, you will fix any bugs or issues that you are facing in your Binance application. So what you can do is just simply clear the cache if you are facing any issues with your Binance. So just tap on the profile icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. After tapping on the profile icon, now what you can do is just tap on the gear icon which is on the top right. After tapping on that gear icon, just scroll down, and after scrolling down, now you can find this option which is clear cache, which is inside your others option. So what you can do is just tap on clear cache and then tap on are you sure you want to clear your cache. Just tap on yes, and after tapping on this, here you can see I've successfully cleared the cache in your Binance. So that's it guys. By clearing the cache, you will fix any issues or bugs that you are facing in your Binance application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.